Have you ever read a list of superfoods and been like, I've never even tried these foods, so how can I even try adding them to my diet? Well, today you're in luck. Not only am I sharing with you 6 of the top superfoods that will help your body fight cancer, I'm also going to share simple recipes for each one of these foods that are jam-packed with cancer-fighting ingredients. So if you love delicious, healthy food just as much as I do, I know you'll love these recipes too. And be sure to stay till the end for superfood number 6, which is the most underrated but probably the best superfood on the planet. Generally speaking, a superfood is one that is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. There are a lot more than 6 superfoods out there, but the ones I'll be sharing in this video will give you the most bang for your buck in terms of nutrients and healing properties. Nutrition is one of the most important things you need to be focusing on if you're serious about beating cancer, but knowing exactly what to eat is probably the most confusing topic for cancer survivors. You deserve every chance you can get to beat cancer or stay in remission, so it's super important to eat foods that are high in antioxidants and what we call flavonoids that will help your body kill cancer cells and keep new ones from forming. Even if your doctor has told you that you're now cancer-free, congratulations, but unfortunately your cancer can always return even several years later. Working in oncology, I see this happen way too often. And that's why I've created this channel to help you and as many people as possible make healthy changes that will increase your chances of beating cancer or staying in remission. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more helpful content. Okay, without further ado, here are 6 of the most important superfoods for cancer survivors. Number 1, avocados. My favorite. I eat at least 1 avocado every single day because I put it on everything. I'm talking eggs, salads, stir fries, my veggie burgers, you name it. Avocados are high in monosaturated fats like oleic acid, which have been proven to reduce inflammation in the body. Now, cancer cells love to grow in an inflammatory environment. So reducing inflammation is the name of the game when it comes to cancer prevention. But you may be wondering what I actually mean by inflammation in the body. So basically, when your immune system recognizes something that's not right, like if you eat something harmful or you get hurt, your immune system will create inflammation to start the healing process to protect you. This is why eating something that's not natural, like refined sugar or highly processed foods, creates inflammation in your gut, which can then turn into chronic inflammation if you eat these foods regularly. But eating foods like avocados will actually reduce the amount of inflammation in your gut because they have a protective effect. And there are so many ways to add avocados to your meals, but one of my favorites is avocado truffles. There are only 4 ingredients in these and they're super simple to make. All it is mashed avocado, dark chocolate, which is also high in antioxidants, a pinch of salt, and some cocoa powder. Oh, and you can find links to all the recipes I'll be talking about in the description below this video. Superfood number 2, turmeric. Turmeric is constantly being praised for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So much so that naturopaths are prescribing it to their patients in pill form to help cure heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. What's really important to know though is that turmeric isn't easily absorbed by your body unless it's paired with either a healthy fat like olive oil or certain spices like black pepper. So if you're looking for a recipe that includes turmeric, make sure that it also includes a healthy fat like olive oil or black pepper or both, like this simple but savory turmeric, spinach, and eggs recipe. Every single ingredient in this recipe has cancer-fighting properties, so I highly recommend trying it. Again, the recipe is linked for you below. I also purchased this delicious turmeric latte powder, which is a blend of ginger, black pepper, turmeric, cinnamon, and cardamom. I know that might not sound very appetizing for a drink, but it's surprisingly really good. I mix it with warm milk and it's a really nice comforting drink before bed. Superfood number 3, garlic. Similar to turmeric, garlic has been used for centuries to improve immunity and decrease inflammation, but it also contains sulfur compounds that play a key role in preventing certain types of cancer cells from developing, like colon, stomach, and esophageal cancer cells. Also, have you ever met anyone who doesn't love garlic? I have 2 amazing recipes to help you add more garlic into your life. The first is cheesy roasted garlic cauliflower. Even my husband, who isn't a big fan of cauliflower, loves this recipe. 1 cup of raw cauliflower provides over 75% of your daily recommended dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for DNA repair and to build a strong immune system. My second favorite garlicky recipe is lemon garlic salmon. This takes very little time to prepare and only like 20 minutes to cook. If you've watched some of my other videos like Eat to Beat Cancer or Keto versus Cancer, you'll know that salmon is an amazing source of omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins, which not only reduce inflammation but also repair the DNA mutations that can lead to cancer cell development. So although there are plenty of fish in the sea, salmon will provide you with more nutrients and health benefits than the rest. Actually, according to a new study from Harvard University, salmon is actually safe to eat every single day if it's sourced properly. I don't know how feasible that is, so I'd recommend trying to eat it at least twice a week. Superfood number 4, walnuts. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't love the taste of walnuts. I don't find they're as good as almonds or pecans, but they're such a great source of important nutrients and healthy fats that are beneficial for your heart and gut health and blood pressure. And most importantly, they've been shown to suppress cancer growth. Walnuts are so amazing at reducing inflammation that they're widely recommended for people who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. You may think of walnuts as more of a dessert ingredient for cookies or muffins, but you can also roast them and add them to salads, roasted veggies, whole grains, or use them as a coating for meat. For example, I've linked a recipe below for a walnut-crusted chicken that is absolutely amazing. Some fats are much healthier than others, and 2 of the healthiest are monosaturated and polysaturated fats. Walnuts are one of the top foods you can eat as a source of good polysaturated fat. You may have also heard of alpha-linoleic acid, ALA, because it's best known for helping with weight loss, and walnuts are a major source of ALA. In fact, a 2022 study assessed the effects of walnut consumption in adults over a 4-week period, and researchers found that after a month of consuming a few ounces of walnuts daily, the subjects experienced reductions in body weight and body fat, plus gains in lean body mass. That's interesting, right? So not only are walnuts able to reduce inflammation, they're also a great source of protein that can help you lose weight. You're welcome. Superfood number 5, acai berries. Native to the rainforests of South America, acai is abundant in an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which not only lowers inflammation but also oxidative stress, which is another key factor in cancer prevention. The most popular way to eat them, at least here in North America, is in an acai bowl, which includes acai berry powder or puree. You can find this at most health food stores, or you can find acai berries dried in a package similar to raisins. The recipe I'll be providing you with below is for an acai bowl, but I'll also provide you with links to purchase the acai powder or dried berries on Amazon. And last but not least, superfood number 6, the one you've been waiting for, the one that doesn't get recognition, or the praise that it deserves, tomatoes. Tomatoes have been described recently as the epitome of a cancer-fighting superfood. Not only do they contain lycopene, the antioxidant phytochemical that also prevents heart disease, but they're also a great source of vitamins A, C, and E, which are all excellent killers of free radicals in your body. The recipe I'm sharing with you is a delicious roasted red pepper and tomato soup. It's slightly spicy and a little smoky, but I mean the great thing about soup is that you can adjust it to your liking. You can add some milk to make it creamy, or adjust the consistency by adding more or less liquids as you wish. But tomatoes can easily be added to a ton of meals like tacos, salads, stir fries, roasted veggies, or sauces. But whatever you do, try to add tomatoes to part of your meals every single day. So out of all the 6 superfoods I've talked about in this video, which ones are you going to add or add more of to your diet? Garlic, avocados, tomatoes. Ooh, all of those can make a nice guacamole dip. Anyways, let me know which ones you're planning to try in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more helpful cancer fighting tips. Bye for now.